What's that? My hair's blonde? Nope, it's just some weird lighting and faded blue hair dye. For real though, I missed you guys. What? It's Delta 8. It's legal in my state. You got a problem? Today's Monday, April 5th. I'm back in my old room. Just kidding. There's a whole ass second bed and a window and an extra dresser. Yes, yes. Oh, and an extra painting of the nice... Oh, I can't zoom. You can't zoom. I can't put my fingers on the... Whatever. You're watching RYNEGADE. Let's go to the zoo.
So I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah!
My beautiful, wonderful, amazing family and I visited the Houston Zoo yesterday for Easter. Oh yeah, Jesus died and came back to life or something. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Let's look at some animals in captivity.
Hello!
Very majestic. Big Fant, little Fant, big Fant, butt Fant, tiny Fant. Oh my gosh. I thought that was a baby. That's a baby. Oh my god.
This is epic. Figured I'd be a little hopeful.
Go, go, go. Uh-oh. Stop the smell the poopies.
Oh, she's not letting her go. We all gotta do the job.
Day 73. They still haven't noticed I'm not an elephant. What's up, boy? That's a big dude right there. Oh, are you sleepy? These are the two chillest homies in the entire zoo. Oh, yeah. Come out. We're doing just fine. I gotta be down because I want it all.
There you go. Come on, man. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on.
Yeah. He's tired from beating up Godzilla.
Yes, sir.
Look at that dude. A nut roller.
How did she? She broke in.
Social distancing.
Got snacks.
You got a snack? He's got a big old nut. Got a walnut.
These nuts.
Dude, he's so cool.
I want to see.
Cool birds. Cool birds.
Yes, sir.
So I said, you should invest in Bitcoin. And my buddy was like, Bitcoin? Bitcoin, Schmidtcoin? NFTs are all the rage these days. And I said, NFTs? Oh, you're killing the environment. And my buddy said, so is Bitcoin. Okay, I didn't get a lot of interesting footage. I'm sorry. Come to find out, I'm actually really bad at vlogging. But in my defense, I do like to experience my life through my God-given vision goggles, as opposed to this glowy rectangle that I'm using to film myself right now. Plus, a lot of the animals were just sleeping all day. A lot of the species at the zoo were listed as either declining or endangered, and a lot of the already morally ambiguous zoo experience just made me feel more and more sad. Why does a white man have to ruin everything he touches? It was fun though. Good day.
Are y'all done yet? You're taking forever.
Oh my gosh, you're ruining my footage. I'm gonna be honest, man. I'm tired. I'm tired as hell. I'm 23 now.
I'm a big kid. And apparently I didn't know this going into it. But 23 comes with like a completely transformational, life-changing perspective change. I don't know. Literally all I did this past week was just resting off my exhaustion and thinking. So much thinking. Long story short, we're gonna be approaching life in a new way this year. And we're gonna learn how to cook. That's right. We're learning how to cook. I don't know. We'll see if I actually do anything different with my life. But I have some ideas and I have some hope. What more can you ask for? This is Ryan. You just got done watching RYNEGADE. Here is a sound effect of a sheep. That is the exact same sheep sound effect from Age of Empires 2.